Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. Today, as usual, want to show you how to make money on the binary options. And let's roll a little bit. Let's check this out. Binary option platform, actually any binary option platform, contains two buttons. You can push that. This is the call option, this is the put option. All you need to do is to make right prediction. You need to predict the movement of the market. Okay, so right now we are watching on the market. The profit is 89%, and I believe the movement of the market will be up. Actually, why do I think so? Why do I think so? Because let's scroll out. And as you see, the global movement is upgoing, yeah, the global trend. Right now it's pretty difficult to predict. All right, I've lost $100. It's no big deal. That means that I'm using the martingale system. That means that I need to make my bet 2.5 times bigger than it was. In that case, I can bring back my money that I've spent already. And all those sharp movements of the market, all right, it's going to go up. All the sharp movements of the market, if you see this, and this, that means that the market will go the opposite way. It calls the correction. Let's see what's gonna happen. I've made my bet $250, and if the point of the market will be higher than I made, that means I will gain money. But for now, no, I've lost $250. No big deal. That means, you see, I was close, yeah? I was close to that. I will make my bet 2.5 times bigger than it was. And let's check this out. Alright, the sharp movement, where do you go? Down. The trend is upgoing, actually, in general. You see the long time. There's a line of support. All right, but about this I will tell you in the next videos about the technical analysis of basic technical analysis methodics, about how to predict the right way. All right, kind of creepy day, isn't it? All right, I'm making my bet 2.5 times bigger each time when I've lost my previous bet. In that case, I will bring back my money that I've spent already. Okay, and if I win the next bet, that means I get back my money and made a profit. This is absolutely simple strategy, simple action, simple moving. All right, as you see, the market is going down right now. Maybe I've made mistake, and maybe, no, actually the trend is upgoing. Support levels. All right, 1.5. Let's say 4,000. Let's see the movement. It's going, for now it's going down. Okay, let's make bet, call. I've pressed call. Of course it's very risky, but I believe that this is much more profitable than to go to work every day, isn't it? Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. I see that in 3 seconds I will get some money. 3,400 bucks. If you want this bet, you should go back to your previous bet, to the first bet. Okay, it was 100 bucks. This is normal amount. I like this amount of money because it's not a lot of money. Yeah, everybody has 100 bucks. So the point is, as you saw just a couple minutes ago, I have lost a lot of money, but with one bet I got it back. Okay, the sharp movement of the market. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen right now. 10 seconds, 897. I don't believe it's gonna go up. But as you see, yeah, I've lost 100 bucks. Doing the same. 225, for example. Or let's do 250. I'm making my next bet. In general, I got profit already. And if you don't mind to spend some money, you will make the profit anyway. Okay, that was the wrong bet, but it's all right. You see, the best place to make bet is just in front of this expiration timeline. Why? Because in that case you can make the correct prediction. You can make the specific prediction. In that case, okay, the market is great. The market is great today, 217 bucks. I won and I've made profit. All right. You saw how well I was moving. I've lost many bets, but I won in general. Okay, so if you've lost, it's no big deal. And let's say, see you the next time. All right, I will show you much more interesting information in my next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification button. See you the next time. Don't make your investment much more than you can afford to lose. Have a great day and have a big profits. See you. All the useful links you can find in the description of this video. Bye.